In this video, I'm going to give you a hyperlink formula with address function to create hyperlink for each of your questions. For example, I have two tables on which I have the summary, and the goal is to create hyperlink for each of the questions so that user can easily click and they will simply go. For example, I click here and I will simply go to my question and I can easily see all of my answer. How we can create this hyperlink, I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have the sheet on which I did not develop any TOC yet. The first thing we need to build a formula here. I will simply type equal hyperlink, double click, and this will ask two important parameters. What is the link location and friendly name? For the link location, I will simply click quotation mark, hash, apostrophe, and now write the name of the sheet. In this case, we will write count table. Make sure you write the spelling exactly the same, apostrophe again, exclamation mark, quotation mark, and %, and now we need to define address function. Address function need two important parameters. What is the row number and what is the column number? For the row number, I will use row function, open parenthesis, click on the first cell, close parenthesis, hit comma. And for the column number, I will use column number function, open parenthesis, click again the same cell, close parenthesis for address as well and hit comma. And for the friendly name, I will simply write quotation mark, click here. Quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now if I click here, you can see my first cell has been activated. Now the question is how we can create this hyperlink for each of the question. So for this, I will right click, move or copy, create a copy and simply hit OK. And we need to work with this duplicate copy. For now, I will rename this, let's say TOC. I will go to count table and delete this formula now. The first thing, we need to drag this formula until the last question we have. And now I will show you a few filter tricks. Click all of the data, click on data, create a filter, click here and filter by colors and delete all of these rows. Clear the filter again. And this is how we get all of our question along with the hyperlink. So if I simply click here, you can see it's automatically go to count table. If I click another question, it will automatically jump to specific question. And the next thing is I have the same table for percentage. How I can duplicate this one? So I will simply click here, hit Ctrl C, click here, Ctrl V. And here instead of count table, we need to change this to percent table. So I will simply select the spelling, hit Ctrl C. Select the entire column C, Ctrl H, Ctrl V, and now simply replace this percent table, replace all, hit OK, close this window, and now if I click, it will go to percent table. So this is how we can create hyperlink easily for each of the question in your sheet. I hope you learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. If you have any specific question, please write me. Thank you so much.